You will be amazed by this 2014 Toyota Tundra. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Make the most of every drive when you travel in modern style and comfort. Sculpted lines and a quiet cabin soothe your mind, while the latest safety and infotainment tech keeps you secure, focused, and entertained. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated mirrors, backup camera. This vehicle is waiting for you at the intersection of comfort and style. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.